Hello guys, in section number 2 you will cover about array basics operation and basic mathematics. You know that this is a NumPy course in which I will share totally coding exercises and their solution. Also you will find article that contain array basic operation with your example and also basic mathematics. So relevant assignment you will find, you have to complete that assignment within time. Another is a coding exercises you will find and their solution with algorithm. For example, basic arithmetic operations on array. This is a coding exercise. Its solution you will find in this section number 2. There will be a video. Element wise operation. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Broadcasting in NumPy. Applying mathematical function. For example, sine, cos, exponential. Aggregation function, for example, sum, minimum, maximum, mean, dot product and matrix multiplication. So these are the different coding exercises that are very important and fundamental for NumPy student. At the end of this section number 2, you will learn about perform basic arithmetic operation on NumPy arrays, execute element-wise operation and understanding broadcasting, apply mathematical functions to arrays, utilize aggregation function for data summarization, carry out dot products and matrix multiplication. So these are the actually 5.5 achievement you will get at the end of this section number 2. Hello guys, in this section number 2 I will share more different coding exercises related to NumPy. So first of all, first exercise, basic arithmetic operations on array. Problem statement. Perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the NumPy array. Skills required. Basic arithmetic operation you should know how to handle in Python or in any other programming language. Instructions. So you have to read each and every lines when I provide this PPT slide to you guys. So first of all, import NumPy, create two arrays of the same size and then perform basic operations and print the result. So these are the two array. We are adding two array elements, subtracting, multiplication and division and showing their results. Element wise operations. Problem statement. Perform element wise addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and also you can perform any other operations like modulus, but here up to division on two NumPy arrays. Skills required. Instructions and algorithm is very important. Import NumPy, define two arrays of the same size, use element wise operation for all these basic operations and print each result. Same two arrays, you can see that same size and element wise. How you can do this one? Just providing two array as parameter, you can see that. So their result will be shown to user. So third problem statement, use broadcasting to perform operations between arrays of different shapes using broadcasting. Skills required. Instruction. You have to read all these content line by line when I provide this PPT slide. Algorithm. These steps we will follow and this is actually solution. For example, second array and the first array, there are two arrays we have created, two-dimensional and one-dimensional, and then using broadcasting to add arrays. This is broadcasting method and showing its result. So another is a fourth problem. Apply mathematical functions like sine, cosine and exponential to a NumPy array. How you can find any sine, cos value from NumPy elements. Skills required. Again, I'm saying you have to read each and every lines when I provide this PPT slide. Algorithm steps you have to follow. This is actually a solution. How you can do this one? First of all, creating array. You can see 0 from numpy.py by 2. Pi. It's taking from this NumPy. So performing mathematically functions, for example, sine, cos, exponential. So it will find sine taking element from this array, taking element from this array to find cos. So displaying their result. So another is a fifth problem. Use aggregation function to calculate the sum, minimum, maximum and mean of array elements. Skills required. Algorithm steps. So how you can find sum, minimum, maximum, mean. This is the array and finding sum, just use some function taking from NumPy. So actually these alliances we have used minimum, maximum and mean and showing their result. So last problem, perform dot product and matrix multiplication using NumPy arrays. Skills required and algorithm steps you need to follow, how you can find dot product and matrix multiplication. So to array dot, this is dot product dot operator you have to take from NumPy, and then this is actually matrix multiplication for two-dimensional array and showing their result. So these are different coding exercises I shared with you.